The engineering design process is a series of steps that engineers follow to come up with a solution to a problem. Many times the solution involves designing a product, like a machine or computer code, that meets certain criteria or accomplishes a certain task. If your project involves designing, building, and testing something, you should probably follow the engineering design process. The steps of the engineering design process are to define the problem, do background research, specify requirements, brainstorm solutions, choose the best solution, do development work, build a prototype, and test and redesign. Engineers do not always follow the engineering design process steps in order, one after another. It is very common to design something, test it, find a problem, then go back to an earlier step to make a modification or to change your design. This way of working is called iteration, and it is likely that your process will do the same. Good luck!
Created using Powtoon.